Hey guys, what's up? If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash, like money. As you can tell by today's title, this is going to be a drugstore makeup tutorial. Drugstore back to school makeup tutorial. Some of you may already be back in school, but it is that time for back to school season, and I thought I would bring you a quick, easy, budget friendly back to school makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. Before we get into the video, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get into the video, shall we? Drugstore primer that I could find that I have. So this is LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I love it because it minimizes your pores. It's clear. It goes on like that. You only need like a dime size amount. I try to keep it in my like in my T-zone area and like right on my cheek area, because that's where my pores are the largest, and that's where I need that high definition smoothing. So using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation. I'm a full coverage type of girl. Even when I was like back in college and in high school, I always liked having a full face of makeup. Even if I was like sweatpants and hoodie, I would still wear a full face of makeup. True story. I'm using a damp beauty blender. This is from the drugstore. I believe I got it from Walmart. Blend it down to your neck so you don't have any harsh lines of demarcation. It's called demarcation. Those girls that have like orange necks and, or I mean orange faces and like pale necks, it's a line of demarcation. You don't want that, girl. You don't want that. So now that we have our foundation on, we're gonna go ahead and go to concealer. For concealer, I am using e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish. I love a matte finish. I'm not really a dewy type of girl. This one is in the shade Medium Neutral. I do wear my concealer a little bit lighter, not gonna lie, because I like my contour a little bit darker. So that's just how I wear it, but you guys can pick your actual shade. Your concealer shade should be 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. 1 to 2 shades. Mine is probably about 3 to 4 shades lighter than my foundation, but I just like it that way. And I do the old concealing method. Some people do like the newer concealing method like this, but I don't see a difference, so I just do the old way. So yeah, and I'm just gonna do a little bit in the center. I like mine bright. I still like kind of do my makeup like old school a little bit, but the soap brows are cool. Like the soap brows are a newer trend, but I just like the concealer this way. But you can do as you please. If you do the new way, feel free to do that. I just like doing my concealer this way. Oh, you know what? I don't have a setting powder that is drugstore. So I'm just blending that up into my brow bone like that. And I like blending with my beauty blender because it gives me a more natural finish. If I blended with a brush, I would have to do more work. The beauty blender kind of takes all the hard work out of it for you. You don't have to do much. It just does it for you. Our contour, so this is in the shade Bronze Beauty. I normally prefer a matte bronzer. I believe this is a MAC 189 brush, and again, I just came from vacation, so don't judge me for my brushes. Some of them are still dirty, all right? I only use them on my face. They're my personal brushes, so don't come for me, all right? We're gonna keep this right in our jaw, not in our jawline, our cheekbone. So if you go like this, you want to follow that indentation in your cheekbone right there, and you want to go back and forth, and then you want to blend in circular motion so that you don't have a harsh line, and so it just looks like you're very sun-kissed, like that, because we're going for a very I woke up like this look, you know. Go underneath my jawline to reduce the appearance of my double chin. Gonna do, so for my forehead, I'm gonna do the middle, but if you have like a wider forehead here, you would do the sides, but I want to make this look minimized, so I'm gonna do right here. But if your forehead's larger, you just, wherever your forehead is the largest, that's where you want to minimize it. So I just minimize mine right here. And I just pull it down, so it's kind of like this, like pull it down. This is 𝒟𝒁𝒁 New York Mega Volume Mascara. I'm gonna apply it on top and bottom before we apply our false lashes. Oh, and I have liquid liner as well to apply. I apply my liquid liner before my lashes. What do you guys do? Do you apply your liquid liner after or before? I apply it before, so we'll see. And I got some right there. I'm going to show you guys a trick how to get that off without messing up your makeup. You want to let it all, like, you want to let the mascara completely dry and then take a Q-tip and get it off. Or you can take a makeup brush and kind of swipe it away. But don't do it while it's wet, because if you do it while it's wet, it will smear across your whole entire face and you will ruin your makeup. So let it dry, take a Q-tip or makeup brush, and then swipe it off. I have a piece of up here. Alright, so I have a little dot of mascara right here if you can see it, and I'm just taking that Q-tip and I'm just wiping it off. See how that works, and it didn't ruin my entire makeup. And I'm actually going to take it and run it under here. There we go. There we go. It doesn't ruin your makeup and it just gets off. Boom, bam, bam. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. I'm obsessed with this liquid liner. So it has a really fine point tip. I love any of the fine point tip ones. I don't like the felt ones, just not my thing. So I'm gonna show you how to do wing liner. So first you're gonna take the tail out and you're gonna go towards the brow, but you're gonna go up, and I am just gonna do like a little wing like that. And as I pull up, I release pressure on the wing. When you come back in, you kind of want to do like halfway. You don't want to go all the way to the tip to keep it pointed. So you're gonna go like halfway, and then you want to bring that tail back in to the eye. And I do it with my eye open like that, and then you can like fill it in, you know. And then I do the middle first, and then whatever excess I have on my brush, I go ahead and do the inner, so that the inner is the thinnest. Like that. And then you can go ahead and thicken it up anymore if you need to. But yeah, that's how you do a wing liner. And I just wanted like a simple one. I didn't want anything too dramatic, but that's how I do mine, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Sometimes your liners are not gonna be, they're gonna be sisters, they're not gonna be twins, all right? Just like with your brows, they're sisters or cousins, they're not gonna be twins all the time. So same thing, you just wanna take it up and lighten that pressure on your hand as you're going out. Go halfway and come into the eye. Boom. Boom, bam, bada bam, bam, bam. Then you're gonna take it almost to like the center of your eye and connect it. And then you're gonna take that inner little bit and connect all of it with that excess product that's on the brush. Because if you start here, you're gonna have more product, so it's gonna be thicker. So the reason why I do the tail first and then the middle is because all of the product is concentrated there first, and that's where I want it to be the thickest. I don't want it to be the thickest in the inner corner or by the tail. So I'm just gonna connect this a little bit more. And if you mess up, you can take a Q-tip and like correct it, or some concealer as well. I had like a little mistake right there. I'm upset right now. Alright, this is NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. If you're gonna be in school for like 8 hours, girl, and you're about to wear makeup, you better have a setting spray. What? Are you crazy? You better have a setting spray. Okay, so I'm taking my lashes in Wednesday. These are my lashes. You can get them on my Etsy store. I will leave the link down below. It is a Mean Girl themed, the burn book, and they're called Wednesdays. I love these because they're nice and wispy. They're like a cat eye. They go from short to long. They look like lash extensions, so that's why I like them so much. It comes with an applicator and it comes with a magnetic liner in the kit. It also comes with some cool stickers, some Mean Girl stickers. So check it out, girl. If you like these lashes or you like the way they look when I put them on, let me know, girl. Let me know. On this lip gloss, I love this lip gloss. So I'm just wearing a lip gloss because it's time for school, girl. You know, like lip gloss, easy to apply it. It's a lip pumping gloss called Pink Cosmo. Oh. Alright, and I love this lip gloss. Actually, Nessa MUA recommended the 𝒟𝑒𝓃 Putty primer, which I used to have and I don't know what I did with it. And she recommended the 16-hour 𝒟𝑒𝓃 concealer, and she recommends these glosses, and they are bomb AF. Literally so bomb. Go ahead and apply our lashes. I'm gonna show you how to apply some lashes, girl. All right, so you want to make sure that the glue is like a little bit tacky first before you apply them. I have a little handy dandy tool here, so I'm gonna take it in the middle first, and then I'm gonna go corner. All right, so apply it right on your lash line, like where that liner is. You don't want to apply it directly onto your lashes. You want it to be on your lash line, and then you take it and just place the corners where they're supposed to go. That's it. Push it down, and then at the end I pinch my lashes together to make sure that they are sticking to my natural lash, and then I apply a little bit of mascara to blend my lashes in with the false lash. Okay, and then I go ahead and I pinch it. That just lets me know that it's on there, and then I pinch it. But you have to make sure that that glue is tacky, because if that glue isn't tacky, it ain't gonna work. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, and look, my inner corner isn't down, and that's how you can tell when you apply the mascara if it's down or not. All right, so and then if you use this setting spray, your makeup is mask proof. So I got this mask right here. The lip gloss is not mask proof, but the makeup is. Boom, bam, 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 bam. And these are my masks. You can also get them on my Etsy store. They are $10, girl, and I ship it to you, so anybody can get them. They're super cute. I only have them in pink, so if you want one, again, they will be down in the description box down below, so you can be cute and stylish for back to school. All right, so yeah. So all right. I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.